Samsung Galaxy A3 2016. But guys, let me remind you that this is not the Samsung Galaxy A3 which was launched by Samsung in 2014. Samsung had launched the A series in China in 2014 and then the phone was released in India in 2015. The A series was known for its Super AMOLED screen and metal body. But then Samsung again updated the phone with some power pack features and they launched the A series 2016 in China last year in December. And then the phone rolled out in the global market. A series is incorporated of innovative design, innovative build, high-end technology and metal body. So guys, I will not make you wait much. So let's have a look at the Samsung Galaxy A3. So guys, actually my friend's uncle bought the phone from exclusive Samsung store. So he got the phone in the Samsung bag. So nice branding of Samsung. So here they have given Samsung Galaxy S7. So they are promoting the S7. So let's focus on our review. So da-da-da. This is the box of Samsung Galaxy A3 2016. The box is quite simple and it looks quite premium. Let me show you the box. So this box is similar to other Samsung boxes. So guys, I am not unboxing the phone for the first time because my friend had unboxed the phone 2 weeks back. So this unboxing is only for review. So let's open the box. Dun, dun, dun. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A3 2016. So let me show you the phone. The phone looks very premium, very stylish. But let's keep the phone aside and let's see the inbox stuff. So you get a warranty card. So the phone gets a warranty of 1 year and these accessories in the phone get 6-month warranty. So this is the charger. This is the USB adapter which can be used as a charger by plugging this here. So pretty all the phones get this feature. So and the next is the earphones. The earphones are really classy and premium. You can have a look at the earphones. The branding is done very brilliantly and these earphones have got a rubber cover because Samsung used to give plastic cover earphones which used to slip out of the ears, but due to this rubber cover there will be a good grip between the ear and earphones. So it's a very nice idea of giving rubber cover. So and next is the SIM slot opener. So as the back cover of this phone cannot be removed, so this is the pin through which we have to open the SIM slot. So these were the accessories of Samsung A3 2016. So let's keep these accessories aside and let's focus on the phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy A3 2016 in my hands. So guys, let's have a look at the body of the phone. So this phone has got a metal body and the side panels are of aluminium. Volume rockers on the on the left hand side. So they are really smooth and the power on off button on the right side. So on the back side, Samsung branding is given and some company information is given here. So the phone weighs around 132 grams and the phone is 7.3 mm thick and 63.5 mm wide. And so this was the body of Samsung A3. Let's have a look on the screen. So this phone has got a 4.7-inch capacitive touchscreen and this screen has got Corning Gorilla Glass 4 screen, and on the top side the Samsung branding is given which is similar to other Samsung phones, and above the Samsung branding the speakers are given. On the right hand side 5 MP front camera, and on the left hand side the proximity sensors, accelerometer sensors are given, and below this is the home button. The back button is given here, and on the above there's nothing. Here the company has given the mic, and on the downside the charging port and the USB port is given, and on the left hand side a 3.5 mm jack of company for the earphone is given, and on the right hand side speakers are given. So guys, let's have a look at the speakers of this phone because I have not yet tested the speakers. So let's play some music. Some rap music. full volume. Yeah, this is Punjabi hip hop. Okay, so the sound is really loud and audible and clear. So the screen is 4.7 inch, and this screen has 16 million colors, and the screen gives you resolution of 720 pixels into 1280 pixels. So this was the screen of Samsung Galaxy A3 2016, and my friend has fitted a tempered glass because he's using the phone from last 2 weeks. And the back panel has also got a Corning Gorilla Glass 4 protection. It has got Corning Gorilla Glass 4 back panel. And guys, this is the golden color of Samsung Galaxy A3 2016. This phone is available in 3 colors. One is a white, a pink, one is black, and one is golden. So the back panel is golden color and the front panel is black color. So there is combination of 2 colors, and the combination is really attractive. But guys, I don't know about the other colors. Will other colors also get a different color front panel? But the combination of gold and black really looks excellent and brilliant. So guys, this was the body of Samsung Galaxy A3 2016. So let's talk about the software. So the screen, this phone has got a Super AMOLED screen, and the Samsung A series is following the legacy of Samsung A series 2015, because the 2015 was also known for its Super AMOLED screen, and the A series 2016 has also got a Super AMOLED screen. So the screen is really brilliant, so you can enjoy your pictures and movies on this phone brilliantly. So this phone runs on Android Lollipop, but it can be upgraded to Marshmallow, and my friend has updated the phone to Android Marshmallow. As he got the phone, after 2 days he got the software update, and he updated the software to Marshmallow Android. So this phone is right now running on Android Marshmallow 6.0, and this phone has got 1.5 GHz Cortex A53 processor. This phone has got 1.5 GB RAM, and this phone is really working well. It's not lagging at all. So what is the internal storage you get in this phone is 16 GB, and out of 16 GB you can use 14.83 GB, and it can be expanded up to 256 GB. So this phone supports dual SIM, and this phone supports 4G. And on the side panel you can see you have to open the SIM slot using this pin which you have got inside the box. So here I open the SIM slot, and here I open the SIM slot. It's quite tight, I think so. Let me try it once again. So yeah, so this is the SIM slot. You have to insert a micro SIM in one slot, and you can use another SIM slot for inserting the memory card, which can be expanded up to 256 GB. So you get option if you're not using dual SIM, so you can use another SIM slot for inserting the memory card. So this is a SIM slot. So guys, this was the SIM slot, and this phone supports 4G. And guys, the back panel cannot be removed, so the battery comes in internally. The battery comes in inbuilt. We do not get a separate battery to insert, so the battery comes in inbuilt. And this was the SIM slot. So this phone has got a battery backup of 2300 mAh, so you can you get a talk time of 14 hours, and you can enjoy music for 58 hours. So the battery backup is really cool. So let's have a look. The screen is really well. It has got a Super AMOLED screen. It works really well. So right now the screen is on full brightness. So this phone has got a 13 MP primary camera with LED flash and autofocus face detection, and the front camera comes with the secondary camera is 5 MP, but the front camera has not got the flash. Let me show you the camera. So the camera, both the front camera and the back camera come with f1.9 lens, and the camera is enhanced with OIS, which means optical image stabilization, which allows you to take photos in high exposure and low light without blurring. So let me show you some photos which my friend has clicked in 2 weeks. So this is one photo which has been taken in low light. So the camera quality is really good, and this is one photo which has taken in high exposure, which has been taken outdoor. And let's check the front camera. So front camera is also cool. He's my friend, he comes with us in our classes. So the front camera, he's looking really handsome. So the front camera is also cool. And Samsung claims that consumers can take their best selfies with the use of palm selfie, wide angle selfie, and with many beautifying effects. So this was the camera of this phone. Let's check out what are the pre-installed apps in this phone. So you get Samsung Voice, Samsung Health, which is a fitness app, and nowadays all the phones get their fitness app. You get the Emo Messenger, and there are many other pre-installed apps in this phone. So guys, why you should buy this phone? So this phone has got a metal body. So the phone has got Corning Gorilla Glass 4 back panel, and the front panel, the screen also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 4, which is the latest Gorilla Glass. So the phone is strong, the phone looks cool, it's classy, and this phone has got 1.5 GB RAM, so the phone does not lag at all while multifunctioning, and the battery backup is also very cool, and my friend is happy with the phone. So this phone has not yet launched in India, but yesterday when I was searching on Amazon, I found that the Samsung Galaxy A5 2016 has been released in India. The phone was available for around 21,000. So the A5 is the elder brother of this phone, which has got a 5-inch display. The phone was available for 21,000, the rose pink color. So with this phone, my friend got a Samsung cover, a Samsung back cover of this phone. So this phone, this cover is manufactured by Samsung. Let's have a look. Here it is given that designed by Samsung. So this cover is made up of transparent glass, and on the edges you can see this cover has got a metal finish which will prevent the phone from getting dents. And this cover cost him around $40, which is around 2,000 rupees in Indian currency. So the cover is quite expensive, but the cover is really resistant. It is scratch resistant, and it will avoid the phone from getting dents. So guys, this was the Samsung Galaxy A3 2016 golden color. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video, and please like the video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, put that query in the comment box. So guys, this is Kunal and I'm signing off. Sayonara, have a good day. Thank you.